Hello guys, this is Debotville from Nigeria. So guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to buy BNB Tiger and BNB Lion. So guys, BNB Tiger, WikiCat, Digimon Rabbit, these coins blast off last week and I think 2 weeks ago. So guys, if you have spare money, this is not a financial advice, you can buy this meme coin. So guys, BNB Tiger is down 5.79%. In 7 days, BNB Lion skyrocket 78.20%. So guys, if you have Coin Market app or CoinGecko, you can search for BNB Tiger. You click on markets. So guys, you can buy this on PancakeSwap. You can buy this on Uniswap. If you click on about, you will get detailed information about BNB Tiger. If you click on website, it will take you directly to BNB Tiger's website. So guys, this is the contract address for BNB Tiger. So guys, this is BNB Tiger's website. You can check it out. BNB Tiger is the king of beasts. They are the symbol of victory and strength, powerful and tough. And our BNB Tiger community is the same. So guys, you can check this out. If you have Trust Wallet, you can buy BNB Tiger. So guys, if you have Trust Wallet, you click on swap. Make sure you have BNB in your wallet. When you click on swap, in the search space, you type BNB Tiger. You click on it. So guys, you can reduce your spill rate percentage to 0.5. Make sure you have BNB. So guys, you swap BNB to buy BNB Tiger. You click on continue and you follow the next step. You will buy BNB Tiger. So guys, for BNB Lion, you type BNB Lion. You click on it. So you swap BNB to buy BNB Lion. If you have, so guys, on Trust Wallet, you click on Discover, you click on Dex, you click on PancakeSwap, you connect your wallet. So guys, don't forget this. This is very important. So guys, if you have BNB, in the search page, you type BNB Tiger. You click on it. So guys, you swap BNB to buy BNB Tiger. You will do the same for BNB Lion. So guys, share this video, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.